Hey guys, Steve Welch here. Want to thank Adam for having his truck here. He actually brought it in for service today. Kind of worked out perfectly because I've got an accessory for him. You can see that he's no stranger to putting accessories on his vehicle. He's got a Pro Tacoma, but whether you got the most basic Tacoma or a Pro, this part can actually work for you. And I'm going to have a link that's in the description for you to get it. So what is it? Well, it's not some of the stuff that he's done here on his truck, but what it's actually for is for your taillights right here. So it's actually from a company that has sent this to me. That's Ryansunoro is how it's actually pronounced, I believe, from what it is. Like I said, I'm gonna have an Amazon link in the description there for you guys. But what's really cool about this is actually a pretty good product. So I'm gonna actually show you this right here. I'm gonna open this up and give you an idea of what you see. So you get you a little extra tape here, but what it is, and I've already opened one of them here to give you a little look. So they come like this. They're a smoked cover for your tail light that doesn't affect the actual button on your tail light here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you this right quick. I'm gonna do this one-handed. That's why I already pre-opened it. So it came sealed, but you'll see, you can actually see through it here pretty good. Right, it's not that hard to see through. And on the back here, you'll see it's got some double face tape, and then it's got your little protector on the front there. So what I'll do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to remove this. I'm gonna remove this from the front here. And you'll see everything looks pretty good, right? And then what you've got is you've got the tape on the inside, and it's all the way around the outside. What you want to do before you do anything, let that plane go overhead, right? Just let them go overhead. But what you're going to want to do before you do anything is make sure you're looking at the right side. Obviously, you can tell whether or not you're looking at the right side just by how it's shaped, right? So this one would be on this side over here, and you can see how it lines up pretty good. The other one is going to be on the other side. Now, the other thing I wanted to mention too is that it didn't actually take away from being able to see the tail light through. So if you look, you could still, it blacks it out, but you can still see the tail light through here, and I'll show you how it lights up here in a minute too, but you can actually see it. It doesn't diminish what you see, but you can see you got all the tape here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna peel all the tape off. Throw that in my pocket. See all this, it looks like it's taped over top of this, so should be able to pull this out. Now you're going to want to make sure that you don't leave any gaps, because obviously if you have a gap, it's a spot where water can get in. And I saw a couple of reviews that said that got water in there. I have a feeling it's because they didn't come back and push this down over here and push that down over there. But you can see all that tape all the way around it. Looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come over here and try to film it from two angles at the same time here. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put this just over top. I'm going to start on the top here and kind of work the way down and push it on here pretty solid. You can see the difference here if you take a look between that look and that look. And I've covered up his plate here. Obviously I don't want to have to blur it. That just saved me some time, but you can see the difference there pretty easily, right? Now I'll run through the other side, do the exact same thing. Once again, you want to look and make sure it's going the right way as you put it up. Good. So what we're gonna do is, he's got the headlights on right here, and there's your brakes. So you got your brake lights on, headlights on. Doesn't take away from the view at all. And it just makes it look a lot better. With everything else that he's done to this truck, it definitely makes it pop. So well, there you guys go. Like I said, if you want to, the link's in just below the video here. Click that link. It helps me out if you do that, of course. But hey, tell me what you guys think. Very easy to install. Looks good. Like I said, I've read some of the reviews on it. Looks like the only issue that anybody's ever had was some water getting in, and it looks like if you do it right the first time, you don't have to worry about it. So just make sure that tape's in the right spot. They also give you a little extra in case you need it. So Steve Welch here. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.